This is the biggest way to waste your time when you're doing your own SEO. And I see it happening every day. You build a website, you upload some products and services, and maybe even write a couple blog posts. But when you finally launch, no one shows up. If you want to get customers to your website, the next step is to do keyword research. You need to do keyword research because you want to make sure that you're not wasting your time covering topics that no one is looking for. Keyword research allows you to find the most popular keywords and the easiest keywords to rank for that people are actually searching for. You can then take that keyword research and write a blog post or add it to your products or service pages, and it'll help people actually find you. So what tools do we use to do keyword research? Which one should you use? In this video, I'm going to compare 3 of the biggest keyword research tools, and none of them are paying me, so I can be brutally honest. Side note, I post videos every Monday, so if you want to take your SEO into your own hands, grow your business, and get more people to your site organically, hit that subscribe button. Okay, so the 3 keyword research tools that we're going to be comparing today are SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Ubersuggest. As you can see, they all come in at very different price points. So which one is my favorite? Keep watching to find out. Okay, so we're going to take a look at SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Ubersuggest. We're going to use the same keyword in all 3 of these. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is volume, and volume is basically just how many people are searching that keyword on a monthly basis. So we could see we're using SEMrush here. 720 people are searching that keyword monthly. We're going to take a look at Ahrefs. There's 450 people that they're saying are searching this keyword monthly. And we're going to take a look at Ubersuggest. And in Ubersuggest, they're saying that there's 3,600 people using this keyword per month. So there's a huge discrepancy here already. Let's head back over to SEMrush, and we're going to take a look at the keyword difficulty. Keyword difficulty is basically how hard is it going to be to rank for this keyword? And every one of these tools has their own formula to calculate this. So in SEMrush, we can see that the keyword difficulty is 38% for this specific keyword. Okay, it's possible to rank for, but that's not typically a keyword that we would try to rank for, especially for a new client with a new website, because it's a little bit harder and we want to show them results a lot quicker. And then in Ahrefs, it's 28%. Again, a huge discrepancy here. Now let's take a look at Ubersuggest. They're saying that it's an easy keyword to rank for. Again, huge discrepancy here. Which one of these platforms is right? So as we can see, there's a huge discrepancy between each of these keyword research tools, and we need to figure out which one is going to be the best for us. The next thing that I look at is if you go down here, you can see keyword variations. These are also known as secondary keywords or related keywords. These are keywords that we want to use on that page that we're trying to optimize on our site. So on SEMrush, we can see that there's 61 keyword variations, and there's an average of 2,000 people looking up these variations per month. Let's take a look at Ahrefs. So immediately it's a little bit less clear, and they're saying that there's only 8 variations of the keywords here. Let's take a look at Ubersuggest. So on Ubersuggest, they don't even tell you how many keyword variations there are. You have to click on View All Keyword Ideas, and then we could see everything here. Again, there's a huge discrepancy with the volume. Flower Shop Oakville, they're saying there's 3,600 people looking that up per month. I'm not sure where they're grabbing this information because it's wildly different than Ahrefs and SEMrush. So here we can see that there's 15 suggestions. There's 11 related keywords. And then we have questions that people are asking, which these don't really look like questions. But each platform should offer this. Ahrefs has no keyword ideas for questions, and then SEMrush has also no ideas for questions. So Ubersuggest may win in this one, even though these aren't questions. At this point, we know the keyword is being searched. People are using this keyword, and they're using variations of the keyword. What we want to do is we want to grab the main keyword and the variations of this keyword, and we want to put that into a document. We're going to test how easy it is to do on each of these platforms. So in SEMrush, we're going to go view all 61 keywords. Then we're going to hover over the keyword. We're going to click this little menu here, and then I'm going to do Flower Shop Oakville. This is going to be our keyword list. And then now, anytime I want to add a keyword, I just click plus, 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 anything that relates, anything that applies to the business. I'm just going to add those here. And if you look at the keyword variations down here, you can see that there's no keyword difficulty, meaning that these are probably going to be really easy to rank #1 for. So you're going to want to add a couple of these as well. Anything that actually applies to your business, I'm just clicking them here, but this is adding it to a master list, which then we can come up here and we can see keyword manager. We could click Flower Shop Oakville, and then we see all the keywords here, and we could easily export this list and it'll give us all the data. Let's see how easy this is to do in Ahrefs. So we're going to view all 8 keywords here. I can just click all of these. I can click export, and it exports the whole list. Very easy to do. Now let's take a look at Ubersuggest. We're going to go back here to suggestions, and we're going to choose all the keywords that we want. So just click each of these. Also, these keywords on Ubersuggest don't seem to be as relevant as the ones on SEMrush or Ahrefs. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to click a couple of these, and then we're going to try to export these. So we can click add to list, add to keyword list, and then we can make our own keyword list here, flower shop Oakville, add keywords. We can also export to CSV or copy to clipboard so we can grab all this information pretty quickly. That's really great. And using Ubersuggest, if you want to see that list, you can click keyword lists here. You can see that keyword list, you click on it, and then you can see all the keywords here. So this is showing a volume of 0 for most of these, and then 3,600, which again, huge discrepancy from the other tools that we're using. Personally, I like using SEMrush the best. It is the most expensive, but I feel like you get a better look into the keywords and it has a more realistic keyword difficulty and volume than the other two platforms. For this keyword specifically, it kind of lands in the middle of the keyword volume between Ahrefs and Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is just wild in this case. Like if 3,600 people are looking that up a month, that's amazing if that's actually accurate. I don't want to make promises to our clients and be like, yeah, 3,600 people are looking that up per month. You're going to get a bunch of traffic if we rank for that keyword. And Ubersuggest is also saying it's really easy to rank for that keyword. I'd rather say there's a lower search volume like 720 or even 450 people looking that up per month and have more realistic expectations. And a keyword that's getting that much search volume per month is not going to be an easy keyword to rank for. So again, Ubersuggest is just way off at this point. And again, I want to set expectations for ourselves. So if me or my team are working on this and we see a keyword difficulty of 38 in SEMrush and that same keyword is 28 on Ahrefs, I'm going to assume it's harder to rank for a keyword than it is. We're still going to use the keyword, and although we are trying to rank for that keyword, we're likely going to rank for some of these easier to rank for keywords that have a lower keyword difficulty down here. I will say though, Ubersuggest is a great starting point, especially if you don't have a bigger budget and you're doing your own SEO. The only thing I would take into consideration here is the SEO difficulty or the keyword difficulties likely going to be higher and harder to rank for than they're saying here, and the search volume is likely going to be lower. The whole point of doing keyword research is to get ideas on how to write the best piece of content that you possibly can, whether that's a blog post, it's on a product page or a service page, or on your homepage. Anyways, what do you think? What's your favorite platform? What platform are you currently using? What platform are you thinking about using? And when are you going to get started with your keyword research? Oh, and if you're wondering what we do with these keywords once we've done the keyword research, make sure to subscribe because that's going to be one of the next videos that I do, showing you how to use this keyword research and implementing it onto your website. Bye.